Hello guys, Bitcoin just give this sign right here, just hit the 200 exponential moving average on the weekly chart, but on the daily chart we see different things. I see a bullish divergence right here, and also a low stochastic RSI cross. So this is a bullish. That means because the Bitcoin continue trade on the same line around $22,000 500. Okay, at the same time we just made 950% trade altcoin pumps. The trades I share in the private list was NFTB, Everscale, 10 down, Seasonscape, Crowns, High Bay, High Punks. Guys, we make money because the software is tracking the market and focus on volume spike plus buyer power. So we buy before the pump and sell up high. Okay, first trade recap. Beside Bitcoin, it's a 10 down. I shared this trade in the private list on January 28. We bought this coin for 14 cents and we put a sell order up here on the daily resistance as 34. I made 125%. I made 12,500. Next trade recap, it's right here. NFTB, guys. Take a look this. That's what we do every day. The price go flat. I got a volume spike plus buyer power. So the volume spike plus buyer power. So I shared this trade in the private list. On January 26, we bought this coin for 0.013 and we put a sell order up here. The daily resistance, guys, 0.06, guys, 340%. I made $34,000 in this trade. Every scale, guys, same strategy like I mentioned before. Price go flat, volume spike, the price pump. So I shared this trade in the private list on 28. We bought this coin for 0.058 and you put a sell order right here, 20 cents. Guys, 260%. I just made $69,000 profit. You can make the same profit we do here on this channel. I share all my trades in the private list, okay? Trade crypto time at gmail.com is the way to go. If you want to really change your lifestyle, you can trade crypto worldwide, anytime, anywhere. Okay, remember, also I will let you know when you should buy Bitcoin and the main cryptos, guys. The main cryptos: Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Cardano. With this software I developed, I track the entire market. I control every single move of every single cryptocurrency. That's all I got to say for today. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Let me know if you like to join. Trade crypto time at gmail.com. Thank you.